Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create mockup like this for a design using Pacdora. So let's get started. This is the design I made. It's a shampoo bottle cover. I have kept it simple and minimal. I downloaded the die line from the same website and expanded my design according to the size. So this is my final design. Now let's move on to make mockup for this design. So search Pacdora and click on the very first link that appears. Click on mockup generator. Then I'll search for shampoo bottle. Select any product of your choice. Then click on edit option to place your design on it. So Pacdora is an amazing software for product packaging design stuff. It has all the features from generating die line to 3D modeling all in one place. Do give it a try. Use my coupon code NEETY13 for extra 20% off. So let's get back to our video. After adding the image, click on the save button to proceed. Here you can adjust the quality of bottle, that is, you want it to be shiny or matte, like this. Similarly, you can change the surface area, lid, and adjust the metallic character, brightness, just like this. The metallic character will give more of a steel look, so we'll keep it less as possible. You can also change the color of bottle, like this. I will choose the pink color which matches my bottle. Similarly, you can play around with these features according to you and whichever feels perfect for your design. I think this looks good. You can add other information as well according to you. So this is just a sample product, so I have kept it simple as I can. So thank you for watching, and do like and share, subscribe.